guys, I'm Kitchen Kimberly and I'm really excited to share a new milestone with you today. As of last week, my husband and I, on our plant-based journey, have lost a combined total now of, drumroll please, 30 pounds. That's right, 30 pounds. In just a little over 4 months, he's lost 20 pounds and I've lost 10. We both feel amazing and we can't believe what the plant-based lifestyle has done for us. Since my mission with this channel is to help others enjoy a plant-based lifestyle, I thought it would be fun today to share the things that have helped me in the kitchen to make this plant-based journey a little easier and more efficient. Now, of course, these items would benefit any kitchen, no matter how you eat, but especially a plant-based one. Let's jump right in. Oh, and Santa's already stopped by my house because I kind of had a big thing on my list. And I've been a really good girl this year, so I got a Vitamix. Thanks, Santa.
One of the best investments in any kitchen is a high-quality solid wood cutting board like this booze board that I've had for over 15 years now. It may cost over $100 initially, but with proper care, this board can last a lifetime. Plus, wooden cutting boards are so much better for your good quality knives. My favorite brand of professional knives is Boostoff. I have the 7-inch Santoku knife, which I use for everything. It's sturdy and ergonomically designed for comfort during use. Since a sharp knife is safer and easier to use, I sharpen my knives frequently with the Boostoff knife sharpener. When all your produce is chopped and ready for storage, these glass containers just can't be beat. They're airtight and they keep your veggies fresher longer than plastic containers. Plus, they look gorgeous in the refrigerator. Another very important item in any kitchen is a good set of mesh strainers in a variety of sizes. I use a small strainer every morning for rinsing the berries that go into my mixed berry oatmeal. The medium and larger sizes get used for everything from rinsing grains before cooking to draining cooked pasta so that it can go right into my hearty beans and greens soup. If you missed that video, I'll put a link in the description box below. Last but not least, a salad spinner will save you time and energy in the kitchen. I have a small and large salad spinner which both get daily use for rinsing lettuce, sturdy vegetables, and canned beans. It is important to have dry lettuce so that your salad dressing adheres better to the leaves. Did I mention a Vitamix yet? I've read so many rave reviews, and as a proud new owner of the Vitamix Professional 750 series, I am looking forward to creating new recipes to share with you. Do you have a Vitamix already? Tell me in the comments below what you're blending up in your plant-based kitchen.
I hope you found this video helpful and that it will make your shopping a little bit easier this holiday season for every plant-based foodie on your list. Be sure to hit the subscribe button because my next video I do not want you to miss. It's an amazing winter citrus salad and it has a delicious raspberry vinaigrette that I make in the Vitamix. That's right. I'm so excited to play with my new gadget. Thanks again, Santa. All right, guys, be well and remember, you have the power of your own good health right there in your hands. Just look at what's on the end of your fork and make sure it's plant-based. I'll see you next time. Join me on the channel. Be sure to follow me on social media as well. You can find me on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram. I'm always cooking up something new to share with you. Happy holidays!